Now we will see the usage of perfect and perfect continuous tense of present, past and future. That is 3 present perfect, 7 past perfect and 11 future perfect, 4 present perfect continuous, 8 past perfect continuous, 12 future perfect continuous tense. Let us see the usage of present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to express a completed action or activity. Although it is in past, I have taught you, the work of teaching is over, yet the effect of my action, it is expressing the action which had just completed. Therefore, adverb like just now is used. I have just completed my class. The school had just been over. A second, in order to express the past activity in present, it is used. Have you read tense? I ask. If you have read, means the action is past. Yet I ask you in the present tense. What is this? This is to present the past activity. Uncertain past is made effective. Uncertain past is made effective in present perfect tense. For example, he has eaten biscuits. He has eaten his lunch. He has completed his homework. The usage of past perfect tense. The work which is well completed. By well completed, what do we mean? I had met him 5 years ago or before. Mostly the past perfect tense is used in sentences. There are two sentences or two clauses. Two activities take place. Two activities taking place in the past tense. One takes first and the other takes later on. The activities out of two of the past which takes first takes past perfect tense, and the activity which takes last takes past indefinite. For example, the students kept, the students had taken out the book before the teacher entered the class. Here there are two actions. One, the students had taken out the book out of their bags, and the other, teacher entered, the teacher reached the class. What happened first? First the children took out the book. Next the teacher came. The patient had died before the doctor came. Here also two actions take place. One, the death of the patient, and the other, the arrival of doctor. The patient dies first and the doctor arrives next. Therefore, the patient had died means past perfect tense before the doctor came. The doctor came is past indefinite. That is why in such sentences we have 5, 7. Now, future perfect tense is used. There is a scheme, a plan, there is a thinking that this work will get completed in a particular point of or period of time. For example, tomorrow I shall be telling you more about tense. I shall be telling you tomorrow. By this time, I shall have completed my class tomorrow. By this time tomorrow. By this time tomorrow means suppose this is 10 o'clock. Next day 10 o'clock I shall have completed. And if I tell you by tomorrow or tomorrow I shall be teaching you this lesson, I can say tomorrow I shall have completed this lesson by this time. Anyway, now let us say present perfect continuous tense. In present perfect continuous, a piece of work which starts, which is continuous, the name of the tense is perfect continuous. Perfect at a time the work has started, yet it has not completed. Just say the meaning of the tense. Perfect continuous. Perfect means complete, completed. Continuous means imperfect or progressive, means is still going on. Therefore, work. I have been teaching you for half an hour. I have been teaching you for the last 15 minutes. Yet, still I am teaching. Means 15 minutes before I have started teaching, yet the teaching is going on. This is called, or this is used in present perfect tense. The work has been started, yet not complete. To show effect, present perfect continuous tense is also used to show effect. I have been reading late night. If you ask me why you are tired, I can say I have been waking up whole night because of some reason. Say went in a party or marriage ceremony or something like that. If I ask you why are you so drowsy or so tired, you can say, sir, I have been working or reading for the exams late night. Now let us see past perfect continuous tense. As in present perfect continuous, in past perfect continuous what happens? In the past tense, at a stipulated, at a fixed time, some work was going on or had been going on, had been started, but still it was going on. An action of past is still incomplete. At the time he had been in England. Suppose we are discussing someone we know who has come to India, but he had been living in England. In discussion we can say at the time means where was he in 2000, year 2000, we can say in year 2000 he had been living in England or in America or something like that. Future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense, as in present and past perfect continuous. Future, it's uncertain. We have planning. I can tell you that tomorrow I shall have been completing your tense. I can say by tomorrow I shall have been completing your tense, or the description of, or something like that. Next month I can say by next month I shall have been completing my teaching 30 years. I shall have been completing 30 years of my teaching next month. You can say next month I shall have been completing 8 years or 10 years of my schooling. In this way, we have the tense, its structure, its uses in the videos, and you are advised to watch the video more and more and have your doubts and get it cleared. Thank you.